Alright, today we're going to talk about pairs of angles. So our first one is complementary angles. And a complementary is angles that add up to 90 degrees. And the way I think about this, you think about a 90-degree angle. You have a person here and a person here. This person can call out to this person and give them a compliment. So any two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary is any two angles that add up to 180 degrees, or a line. So if I had a person over here, it's going to be very hard for them to give each other a compliment. So supplementary is 180 degrees, complementary is 90. Adjacent is just simply any two angles that share a side. So if I had something like this, then this angle right here in blue shares a side with this angle right here in red, so those two are adjacent. So it's any two that angles that share a side are considered adjacent. Alright, so if you have a figure like this, A, B, C, D, E, F, and you want to know the complementary angle to angle AFB. So again, it has to make a 90 degree, so if you look at AF, to make my 90 degree I have to go up to C. So my angle there that I'm missing, I already have AFB, so I need BFC. So angle BFC and AFB are complementary angles. And you'll also notice that the central angle, angle F, is the same for both of those. And they both share a side, so that means that they are adjacent. So let's do one more. Let's say we have angle CFD. And we want the complement to that. So we have CFD here. And we want the complement, so we need DFE. So angle DFE and angle CFD are complementary. Alright, so we want supplementary angles, and we start with angle EFD, so we have this angle right here. Remember, supplementary has to make a line, so we need to go all the way over to A. So the angle there would be DFA, and EFD form supplementary angles. So let's say we start with angle AFC. So that's this angle right here. So we need another 90 degree angle, so that would be CFE. So angle CFE and AFC form supplementary angles. You'll also notice because they share the side CF, they are also adjacent angles. Alright, so now we're given angle AFB equals 74 degrees. So that's this angle right here. And we need to find BCF. So if you notice, those will form a complementary angle. So it adds up to 90. So you just take 90, subtract 74 to find out what BCF is. So that's going to give you 16. So BCF is 16 degrees. Alright, now in blue we're given angle AFD, so this one in blue, is 135 degrees, and we want to find angle DFE, so that angle. So those are supplementary, so they add up to 180, so we take 180 and we subtract 135 from it, and we get 45 degrees. So angle DFE is 45 degrees. And again, they're adjacent because they share the side DF. So anytime you find two angles that share a side, they are adjacent.